Hi guys, welcome to your sixth tutorial on html5, and in here I've just put in two paragraphs and I've given these an ID. Well, I've given one a class and called it cat. I've given the other one an ID and called it dog. Now you can only have one ID one ID reference to one item in each website page. You can't use dog here all the way through it, and it won't work, but a class is different. You can reference a class to anything. Now in my CSS file I've given this here. For the class you go to dot whatever the class name is, which is cat, and for the ID you put in the pound sign here. See here? Now guys, to run that, this is what you get, and there's the colours, right? Now we'll have one more in just to show you, and we can put in here, let me say, paragraph, and we'll go for ID equals to word. Oh, yes, my computer for some reason decided to switch the buttons on me, which I don't know why. And put in this is a pink bird. I know it just looks a bit funny, but it's just to show you, really, isn't it? Okay, if I go in here and I go down here and I put in my pound sign, and I put in bird, and I put in, let's see, color dash pink, and you always remember to close it off in brackets here, or else it's not going to work. It just won't work. You have to close it off. And if I go back in here, and hopefully your Firefox isn't too slow, and refresh it, there you go, this is a pink bird, okay? So that's just to show you what the difference with IDs are and classes. I can use the same class throughout, it's no problem whatsoever. Let's just show you that here before we finish up. And I can put it in here again, just say the class is equal to, which my keys again, cat, and we put in, this is a big cat. What?